I'll be showing you the best free quantity discount apps for your Shopify store. Now for these apps, none of them are completely free overall. The apps I selected have a generous free plan, and if you want to go up to their paid plans, they have different options there. So the first app we'll take a look at is Ecom Quantity Breaks, so you can boost your conversion rate with discounts through customer journeys and create quantity breaks, volume discounts with upsell, and limit purchases to maximize sales performance. So it gives you quite a few options for automatic discounts like tiered pricing, cart upsells, discount labels, bulk discounts, volume discounts, and a min-maxify. So you can limit quantity, cart limits, and a product limit order. So there is a 7-day free trial on the paid plans, but on the completely free plan, there is quantity breaks, limit purchase min-max, full theme and layout, and unlimited customizations. If you want to go in the paid plans, you get discounts in multiples, show discount labels and price ranges, and on the advanced plan, you get the dashboard and report and unlimited discount campaigns. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 300 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary here, merchants appreciate this app for its ability to offer quantity-based discounts, boosting sales as well as customer loyalty. For the second app we'll take a look at is called Quantity X. So you can increase your AOV with volume discounts and buy one get one offers with upsell messages through the sales funnel. So you can include any type of discount, easily customizable design, has a tooltip with offer details, translatable messages, and a mobile-first app. So in terms of pricing for this one, it's going to be set on the number of orders for the free plan. So you can use this app for a maximum of 20 orders created by the app. And it's going to go up in pricing depending on the transaction fees you want to pay, but you do get unlimited orders on each of these plans. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 7 5-star reviews. And from the latest review here, this customer said this is the only app they've found that allows them to launch a quantity discount campaign on the entire collection/store without requiring my customers to buy multiple items of the same product. For our third app here, let's take a look at discounting, bulk discount, and sales. So you can offer your products at a discounted price, making it easier for customers to buy. You can easily select the products, schedule campaigns, and add or remove products to live campaigns with the auto update feature. And you can encourage customers to buy more by showing reduced prices. In terms of pricing for this app here, it has a 3-day free trial on the paid plans, but the completely free plan includes up to 100 discounted variants, up to 3 campaigns. You can select products by several filters. You can schedule campaign start and end time, and you can set a minimum quantity. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 58 5-star reviews. The latest review here says that they like you can exclude certain products from collections in the sale, and it's very handy. They also love how it shows the sale price against the full price. For our last app here, this one's called Bundle B Bundles Builder. And it's a fully customizable builder to increase average order value. So it has tiered bundle offers, frequently bought together, and product and variant level bundles. And it has over 100 preset bundle designs, perfect for holiday sales and quick customization. It has a 7-day free trial on the paid plans. And on the completely free plan, you're limited to 1 bundle, but you get frequently bought together, related products, as well as tiered quantity breaks, which is what we're looking for here, and discounts. This app has 1 review and it's a perfect 5 stars. We can see the reviews that the app is really good at what it does and what it promises, as well as an amazing support system that helped them set up the app properly. Before I go, I want to say that keeping track of how much money your store has actually made can be very difficult, especially if you're using spreadsheets or Excel. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you need to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, including all your ad spend from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options, including all your other expenses as well, such as transaction fees or ad agency costs. It's going to include a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. It can also have multiple stores in the same dashboard if you run multiple Shopify stores, and you can get started with a 15-day free trial. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below that will bring you to the Shopify app page directly. So this concludes the video here on the top free discount quantity apps for your Shopify store. All the apps mentioned in the video have a very generous free plan, so that's why they were all picked. Now, there is no completely free app, but these do come close. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.